you see, the black market, if I can call it that,
Yes.
had grown so much over the years that there was actually no real definition to it. They were wearing the same clothes. In fact, they were buying better clothes than what's his name. They were buying better cuts of steak than what the middle market
What the
was.
middle market was. Because they've got more disposable income, right?
Yeah.
No, that's but why would you say price is an illusion then?
Price is purely I always say price is perceived prices, because nobody, not even I, that was the boss of a big company, could recite more than 30 prices to what was important to me. I knew the chlorine market's price because that was part of my advertising trick.
Okay.
I knew 1 or 2 prices, but if a housewife goes in, she looks at the colors of the colors red. I mean, we did all that. Red and yellow
red and yellow.
Yeah, red is the strongest color in the market. Yellow is the color for cheap.
For discount.
So I actually made ShopRite red and yellow.
Okay.
Now I fight with the blokes at Checkers.
And before it was blue, right? When you pass on.
It was any color ShopRite.
Okay.